If you use Epson Ecotank 8500, you will definitely go through with this problem. So after some times it shows the maintenance error, and you need to replace the maintenance box. So first you have to open up the lid, and then there is one button, the lid, you open this one, and then you have to push this other side, and then the maintenance box will come out. So this is the maintenance box, and this one is heavy little bit, and because the extra ink is filled in this box, and when you do the power cleaning or head cleaning or nozzle cleaning, all the extra ink will be collected in the maintenance box. So then you have to replace the maintenance box. So you order new maintenance box from Epson store or online, or I order from Amazon. So you have to search with the printer name, or you can see the code error it shows. So you can search with the code error, and you have to just put the and push the maintenance box, and it will be okay. And then close the lid, and then there is the button, you can see maintenance box, and then you just put next, okay, and it will process, and it's good to go. And now you can print again. If you have any question regarding printer, you can ask me in the comments.